Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, however the mode doesn't really matter because we have to open general settings. To do that we have to tap on this gear icon in the right upper corner, so go to the settings and here tap on more settings. Then let's scroll all the way down to find Restore Defaults and tap on Confirm. And now we've been brought automatically to the camera, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.